Hello. In this tutorial, I will show you how to add an image select field in bit form. Let's begin. To edit your form, either click on the three-dot icon, then select Edit Form, or directly click on the form name. Here, search for the image select field. Drag and drop the image select field from the right sidebar into the form builder. Then navigate to the image select field settings. Name is the unique identifier for the field, and you can modify it if needed. The label option allows you to set a name for the field label that will be displayed on the front end of the form. Subtitle is used to add additional information to the field. You can also add a subtitle for the image select field here. Admin label is used for administrative purposes and allows administrators to set a label name that will appear on the entries page. You can adjust the size and position of the field using these options. The helper text option enables you to provide short information about your input field, including any input restrictions and formatting requirements. The required option makes a form field mandatory and lets you customize the error message. You can show or hide the asterisk symbol by clicking this option. You can also choose the position of the asterisk symbol for the required field, before and after the label, on the right or left of the field. If you enable this option, the image select field will be hidden, and if you disable this option, the image select field will be visible. Enabling this option allows users to select multiple images from the available options. This feature gives users the flexibility to make multiple image selections at once. Using this option, you can set a minimum number of selectable images for the users, and you can also set an error message that will be displayed when the limit is extended. This option allows you to set a maximum number of images, and you can customize the error message that will be displayed if the limit is exceeded. Enabling this option ensures that users cannot select more than the maximum allowed number of images. If they attempt to exceed the limit, the remaining images will be automatically disabled. This option allows you to set a minimum item size for each image. This feature enables you to customize the position of the checkmark. The available positions are top left, top right, center, bottom left, or bottom right. If you enable the Hide Image Label option, the image label will be hidden, and if you disable this option, the image label will be visible. The Unique Entry option ensures that each form entry is unique, and it helps to prevent duplicates. You can also set a custom error message that will be displayed if an entry is not unique. This feature allows you to easily add or remove options from the drop-down list. You can also upload a product image. Here, you can add your product's label. You can also specify the value of your product if you want. Then click on the Update button. Now let's preview the form to review the image select field. Here, you can see that the image select field has been successfully added to the form with its default images already set. That's all for this tutorial. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.